Okay, this Prius 2022 Prime with the brand new accumulator just charged up and just started it about 2 minutes ago. It's 60, what's the temperature here? The temperature outside, here's the temperature sensor right here. I'm taking the temperature of the air flowing across the condenser. We're 61 degrees. Out of the dash with the other temperature sensor, we're 39 degrees coming out of the dash. Our pressure, 89 degrees. So our high side pressure, here's the high side fitting. High side pressure, 90 degrees. Suction's been staying solid at 31 degrees. So that is what we've been doing on this one. And it's the end of the day, they're closing, so I have to make this a short video. And the previous videos explain the method, the reason, and the why, and how much oil I put in the system by the different kind of failure. It was not just bent, it was actually cracked and cut and split open, and it lost the oil on the tube that goes all the way down to the bottom of the accumulator, right where the pickup in the screen is, and evacuated all 2+ pounds of refrigerant in an instant out of a very big crack, taking a lot of the oil with it. If you didn't know that, this would be a car coming back a year later with a burned up compressor. It'll work without oil in it, and it will work if you're just the kind of guy who goes, okay, I'm gonna put 1 ounce in there because it lost some oil. Well, you would have been very short on oil on this one, and it would work perfectly in your shop, and it would drive away, and everybody thinks everything is perfect, but a year later the compressor burns up. All right, guys, I will see you later, and we'll get out here. And as we could see, high side pressure 85 psi, low side superheat 12, subcooling 1.7. Remember some superheats on this one, because today is a cold day. Instead of this car sometimes has a 0 superheat, like a 0.8, 0.2 superheat, because it doesn't have to work under these conditions. Today, this vehicle is 12 superheat, and usually you don't see them like that when I'm doing them, if I'm measuring the superheat. And 31 psi, 86 psi, we got as low as 84 psi, and 38 degrees out the dash. All right, gentlemen, I'll see you. Watch the earlier videos on this to get the explanation of me cutting that apart and looking on the inside of the accumulator. See you guys.